Latest on the transfer news sanibona bafethu uVanelo so I'm back again with indaba zakweBetway Premiership. Amathima amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe i-team iyathenga na. Lana ngizoqala ngeindaba ezisathana kuphuma. Ngiyakhumbula ngikhuluma ngomdlali odlalela iStellenbosch FC, i-defender elibizwa ngoTylon Smith. uTylon Smith ke bafethu umdlali lo wedlalela Bafana ku-under 20 ye-AFCON. uTylon Smith bafethu obuye adlalela iStellenbosch. Umjida usesayinwe i-QPR, iclub le edlalela le eEngland. Kuthiwa umjida usesayine 4 years from iStellenbosch to iQPR, usesayine 4 years uzodlala lapha eEngland iminyaka e4. I hope umjida uzoqhubeka adlale kahle kufika amanye amateam amsayine lapha. This is a good thing for Bafana because umjida vele ubedlala under 20 uzothola nje ipromotion emnandi ukuthi afike lapha kwi-first team yaHugo Bros. I hope uyalisebenzisa leli thuba lokudlala eEngland abona amanye amateam amakhulu lapha kwiPremier League. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje kuthiwa iChippa United are set to sign the highly rated midfielder uBanele Hlophe lo oqhamuka le kwiJDR Stars. Umjida ke is among the nominees of being the player of the season kwiNFD. Kwezinye izindaba eziphume namhlanje iDurban City FC isiconfirme 3 signings. Kuloma 3 signings khona bani? Khona uDarren Kitts ugoalkeeper oqhamuka kuyona iCape Town City, mase kuba uBrooklyn oyimidfielder, mase kuba uTrevor Mokoena oyiforward. Labajida laba bazozama ukuyisiza iDurban City njengoba sesana kupromote nje. They need new players who going to beef up their squad, who are going to challenge the big teams in the Betway Premiership. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iGolden Arrows are close to signing striker uJunior Dion. Munkhumbula kahle kuJunior Dion recently released by AmaZulu. Kuthiwa umjida uspende isizini yakhe ekwiloan with iMarumo Gallants. Kwezinye izindaba ezingithusile namhlanje ilegend lase-Egypt uAhmed Shobir urevealile ukuthi iPyramids FC are in advanced talks with Mamelodi Sundowns over a move for uLucas Ribeiro Costa. uLucas Ribeiro Costa lo mdlali lo ofunwa amaclub ase-Europe, lo mdlali lo ofunwa amaclub ase-Brazil. iPyramids FC ifuna ukumsayina. Kuthiwa the Brazilian could be reportedly be replaced by Ibrahim Adel. Mina ngikhumbula ke bafethu Adel lo mdlali odlalela iPyramids FC odlala ngempela, yabo. Mekuthiwa le deal lezokwenzeka ngempela singambona ngempela uRibeiro eyojoin iPyramids FC mase sibona uAdel, uIbrahim Adel ejoin iMamelodi Sundowns. Ngangitshela ama-comment bafethu, do you think uRibeiro Costa should join iPyramids FC after bedlale kwi-final yashawo iMamelodi Sundowns? I don't know. Ngangitshela ama-comments, do you think le deal le kumele izosebenza or what? Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iChippa United are close to concluding a deal to sign the former Royal AM winger uSisanda Mpela for the upcoming Betway Premiership season. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile namhlanje iMamelodi Sundowns are close to reaching an agreement with talented forward uAphelele Teto, who could become their first signing of the transfer window. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile bafethu kuthiwa iWydad Casablanca kuthiwa ayikayikhiphi imali. Kuthiwa ayayikhiphi imali inikeze iMamelodi Sundowns. iMamelodi Sundowns ifuna imali for uThembinkosi Lorch. uLorch yena uopen ukureturna kwiWydad Casablanca. To ama-personal terms ne-signing on fee akusiyona inkinga. Inkinga iWydad Casablanca kumele ikhiphe imali inikeze iMamelodi Sundowns. Asazi ke Sundowns izovuma nomdlalo wayo noma cha. But ke imali ekhulumayo kuyibhola la eAfrica. Mungenayo imali umukhuluma neSundowns shuthi izinto ngeke zisebenze kahle. Kwezinye izindaba engizwile bafethu kuthiwa uCanal Plus ufuna ukuthenga uMultiChoice. Kuthiwa lento le isi-approved ke bafethu. South Africa's competition tribunal has granted conditional approval to French media giant uCanal Plus for its takeover of MultiChoice Group, a deal valued approximately to 35 billion. Kuthiwa bafethu ngenzeka ke uMultiChoice udayiseni uCanal Plus bazothenga ngo-35 billion. Imali engaka ungangitshela ama-comments bafethu ngalokho. But ke singalibona ushintsho, ziningi izinto esizoyibona ishintshwa kaMultiChoice, ziningi izinto esizoyibona zidlalwa kwi-TV. Mhlambe ibhola lizoba nepackage yalo yodwa, yabo uSuperSport ube nepackage yayo yodwa. Kuningi nje okuzoshintsha. But ke is it a good thing or a bad thing? Imagine your TV being controlled by inkampani yakwenye country. Yabo it's not a good thing because MultiChoice wala eSouth Africa. MultiChoice will control the whole of Africa. Most SuperSport services were controlled la eSouth Africa. So manje sobe sebedayisela uCanal Plus. It seems like sebenikeza iFrench ukuthi ibe ipower yala eAfrica. Angazi noma ngiyayenza any sense, but wangitshela ama-comments, is it a good thing or a bad thing ukuthi uCanal Plus ube in charge of MultiChoice? Kwezinye izindaba iBanyana Banyana iyodlala against iGhana. Bawodlala for i-third place playoffs. Mukhumbula kahle ke iBanyana Banyana ihluliwe izolo, ihlulwa iNigeria. Sabona futhi iGhana ihlulwe iMorocco ama-host nations. So siyobona iBanyana Banyana itholana phezulu with the Ghanaians. Yabo asazi ke nokuBanyana Banyana izowina, but ke kuthiwa umuntu uphume unumber 3 uzothola 6.1 million, uphume number 4 uzothola 5.2 million. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile namhlanje kuthiwa uRhulani Mkwena noKhesa Ismailula might reunite le ku-MC Alger. Mina ukhumbula ke uKhesa Ismailula umdlali lo bafethu odlala le eToronto, mase kuthi uRhulani Mkwena ucoach lo sathana kuhamba kwi-Wydad Casablanca. Wamlanda uKhesa Ismailula so udlala naye le kwi-Wydad Casablanca. Right now uRhulani Mkwena is the new coach of MC Alger. So ngenzeka yena simbone uKhesa Ismailula emjoyina futhi uRhulani Mkwena. Asazi but ke i-deal lesingayibona yenzeka ensukwini ezizayo. Kwezinye izindaba eziphumile bafethu, the Betway Premiership side iPulwane City is set to sign the former Black Leopards goalkeeper uMashudu Makamvu. Kwezinye izindaba ezingithusile namhlanje uDerrell Matjekge bafethu umdlali lo sathanda kusayinwa iMarumo Gallants kuthiwa ucoach uthe cha lo mdlali lo akekho kuma plans wakhe ngeyaza travel naye baye le kwi-preseason. Ama-preseason games nje umjida ngeyaza wadlale abadlali abanjengoNaki nabo ngeke bahambe ne-team bayodlala ama-preseason games. Tsepo Rekgotso, Rivaldo Prince naye ngiyazi ahambe ne-team. So ucoach omusha it seems like ufike vele i-team isiwenzile ama-signings. So uDerrell Matjekge is not in the part of ucoach omusha kuma-plans acoach omusha. Kwezinye izindaba futhi Chippa United are in talks with the ex-Kaizer Chiefs striker uRanga Chivaviro. Manje nikhumbula kahle ke uRanga Chivaviro was recently released by Kaizer Chiefs. The 32 kuthiwa is also under the radar of iAzam bafethu and i-team entsha lesi esanda kutholwa la ku-Betway Premiership Swelele FC. So ama-team awuthiwa ayamfuna neChippa United kuthiwa ngenzeka isijoyine ke neChippa United mase kuba iAzam yaseTanzania mase kuba iSwelele FC. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu Orlando Pirates loanee usekore igoli nje efika kuChippa United kumjida. Menikhumbula kahle ke he was bought by Orlando Pirates wale imali. iChippa United adlala a-friendly game with the Zambian champions iPower Dynamos. Kwezinye izindaba ezingijabulisile bafethu namhlanje kuthiwa iMamelodi Sundowns are set to promote uGekana bafethu umdlali wabo una-18 years old bazompromota kwi-first team yakhe. Kuthiwa le midfielder le bafethu eyi-box to box ibe ne-season enhle kakhulu la season with i-DDC side yeMamelodi Sundowns. So bafuna ukumpromote umjida ayodlala with the first team yeMamelodi Sundowns. But iSundowns ijwayele ukuyipromote iy'ntwana zilithola ithuba lapha mayipromotiwe. Abadlali abanjengoLetlahu, abadlali abanjengoMabhena, yabo you can name a few players who were promoted by iSundowns bengalithola ithuba. So angazi noma le deal lezoyenza any sense, but yeah it's a good thing ukuthi iSundowns iya-recognize i-talent kwi-DDC side yayo. iSundowns nayo ine-DDC side ensukwempu, so ukupromota lo mfana lo kungayenza isense for umjida udlale kahle last season and he was doing good for abafana abancane lapha ku-squad. Ngiyabonga bafethu for i-support eningi nayo. Ningakhohlwa ukuyofollow uVane Sports lapha ku-Instagram nguVane Sports, VaneSports_. nayi hand lapha ungafika uyotype nginama-followers awu-94 kwamanje. Ngiyafollowana ke. If you follow me I will follow you back. If you follow me I will follow you back. So bafethu ungakhohlwa ukuyofollow uVane Sports, ufike ubhale nje lapha i-account yami endala ngalahlekelwa ama-logins awo, so sengina-account entsha. So uyofika ubuVane lapha unesithombe sami ungawunaki loyo, unake lo Vane lo unale logo le. Niyamazi kuVane Sports bafethu unale logo in all media platforms. So bafethu hambani yongisupport lapha ku-Instagram. I need followers nakhona bafethu. Ngiyabonga support eningi niyayo.